Hello my foodies, welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my holiday gift guide for 2021. We're nearing the end of this year. What better way to celebrate, get you in the mood for the holidays by gift giving? I have put together 10 items on this list that range from very affordable to a little bit more high-end and luxury if you feel a little bit more generous. Although we've already passed Black Friday, if you're a procrastinator like myself and you're just a little bit late on gift giving, then make sure that you reference to this list. I will put them in the caption box right down below so you guys can reference those links, and hope you guys end up finding something that would truly make someone else super happy. And I'll list the items down below in the comment section with some links so you guys can reference to. A lot of these items I've already bought in the past, most recently, or have been gifted to. And honestly, these are items that I pretty much use all the time that are pretty universal, very realistic, and practical in the kitchen. And all these items are related to anything cooking, kitchen, household items, or kitchen items. So if you know someone that loves cooking, who's interested in cooking, who just recently moved into a new home, or if you just want to give it to them because it's a really cute idea, then you'll really like this list. Before we get into it, make sure that you hit subscribe right down below, turn on those notification bells so you never miss a beat with any of my videos. And now, let the fun begin. So my first gift suggestion is a picnic basket. This is such a clever idea for anyone that you think that would find enjoyment going to the park, going to the beach, or anywhere in an open area to have a picnic. I feel like picnic is so far-fetched in a way where it's like, it's a great idea, but people really don't do it. But what better way to give someone a picnic basket just like someone had gifted to me. I need to try to locate the brand. I think it's in the inside of this picnic basket. Okay, so it's called Picnic at Ascot. If I'm able to find the brand and the link, I will drop it down in the comment section below. I love this idea. It's so creative. It holds 2 little bottles right here, and it also has utensils, a wine cork, and then something that the gift giver had thrown in here, which I think was a great idea, is a little lunch bag or like cooler where you could put and store all your perishable items, 2 little cute plastic plates, and you can even throw a wine bottle, which they did right here. I thought it was just such a clever idea. They also threw in 2 cute little wine glasses, which they're all bubble wrap, but I'll show you right here. What a fantastic, most creative idea ever. I always have been wanting to go to a picnic, and I usually just bring like a cooler or something like that. But this is like perfect, you know, for pictures, for videos, for anything like a date or a friend date, or, you know, just to bring someone special to a picnic and park and throw a picnic together. I love this. It's really easy to carry. I love the hook on the very top. So that is the first gift. Second on the list is an apron. Someone very special to me actually gifted this to me. The brand is called Rain Humble. It's made in Australia. I will drop a link down below. I'll try to find the exact apron, so if you guys want to buy the exact same one, or if you just want to reference to their site, feel free. It has a canvas feel to it, and it has 2 deep pockets in the apron, and I really love the ends of the apron where it has this ruffle look, so it gives it more of a cute look. Honestly, it's really cute, as you can see. You can tie it in the back, you can adjust it right here, but if I need to put my phone or a utensil or a note or anything like that, hair tie, this is really great to use. I've already been using this and have been absolutely loving it, especially I always make a mess in the kitchen, even though it looks really clean right now. So if you're thinking about an affordable gift or a stocking stuffer or a gift exchange, this apron is perfect. Third on the list is cookbooks. Cookbooks is a really great idea to give someone, and you can always cater to that specific person. And some of my cookbooks that I've been really enjoying lately that I'll share with you guys, and of course there's like tons of other amazing cookbooks out there. I actually got this gifted to me last year for Christmas, and it's Joanna Gaines, as we all may know, or if you don't know, she has, I think she has like 2 to 3 cookbooks, and has a plethora of recipes that gives you the most homey, cozy, warm vibes. And some of these recipes are not gluten-free, but they always give me some inspiration, and plus they really match my aesthetic, especially with the apron I just shared with you guys. More of the neutral look I really enjoy. I actually got another cookbook gifted to me, so I wanted to share this with you guys, and obviously it's a really great gift and cookbook. If not, then I wouldn't be sharing with you. This is Erin Goyoga. She does everything gluten-free. Amazing recipes that I cannot wait to try. You can already see I've started bookmarking all of the different recipes that I want to immediately give it a go. So this dessert book was gifted to me by the same person who gifted the apron to me, so thank you so much, I love it. And then on Amazon, I went ahead and bought her cookbook where there's more savory recipes. I bookmarked the heck out of it, as you can see here, and I just honestly cannot wait to try. So these are just a few examples, but again, you can choose whatever you think that the person you're gifting to may enjoy the best. The fourth item on my list is a Nespresso machine. I had featured this in one of my videos last year about my kitchen haul items, and it's been over a year. I've absolutely loved this machine. It does a latte, cappuccino, straight espresso, and you see it has the two functions right here. It's pretty tight, neat, and modern. And I also bought an add-on. This is a while ago, but I bought this on Amazon, I believe. Basically, the Nespresso machine sits on top of here, and there's a drawer that you can put all of your Nespresso pods in there. It's quite fantastic and doesn't take up too much room, which I really like. On the sides right here, I actually put the espresso cups or any coffee mugs just to have on the side ready to go. I truly enjoy this. There's so many different types of Nespresso machines. I'll link the one that I have exactly right down below. And I got this espresso machine from the Williams Sonoma outlet, but you can find it honestly anywhere. You can find it at the Nespresso store, at Williams Sonoma, any other cooking store. They should maybe have some discounts going on still, and if not, it's a really great investment, especially if you always go buy coffee or espresso. You'll be definitely saving money on this. So, and as a reminder, this is more of a splurge item. It's not on the low end of the affordable list of my items, but if there's someone really special out there, and if you have the means to purchase something like this where they would be using it every day, the money will be worth the while, I promise. So fifth on the list is a Vitamix. This is similar to the price of the Nespresso machine I just shared with you. But if you know someone who doesn't have this already, this is seriously a great investment, great gift. I use this all the time. If anything, I need to get a brand new one because of how much I use it. I make juices, I make smoothies, I make soups even here, and it just works wonders. It's super easy to use, it's really easy to clean too, and I always have this on my kitchen countertop, and it takes minimal space too. You can find this a lot of places, not only on Amazon, different e-commerce platforms, in stores, even Bed Bath & Beyond always does discounts, and even Kohl's, if you have Kohl's near you, or if you have like a department store similar to like Target or Walmart, they will probably have this here, and this one is a really great gift. So sixth on the list is something that you probably wouldn't really think of, and it's something that you can pick up at the store really easily and quickly, and honestly on the day of if you're giving that gift to someone. Truly enjoy plants in the house. As you can see, I threw a poinsettia in the background. It just livens up the space. It brings obviously more oxygen. It gives you a little bit more of a homey feel. But I have two plants that are great to give to someone if they're low maintenance, they don't really like to take care of plants or don't really know how to, so you really can't kill the plant. Succulent is a great one, which I don't have with me right now, but a snake plant is a really great idea. And if you can see here, like, if I were to put it there, it totally brightens it up. Obviously I would have to move the poinsettia, but these are really affordable. It's grown so much, as you can see. I hardly water it and it's still alive. It's beautiful. So this is something that you can just give to someone to decorate the house, and it goes well with any type of home theme, in my opinion. So a snake plant, definitely get that. Obviously a succulent, that's always a great idea. And then I get orchids maybe every 2 months. You know, they do grow back once the flowers do fall, but it takes a long time for the flowers to grow back in. So I have an orchid where all the flowers fell. I clipped it and now it's just trying to grow back. So I don't even know how long that's gonna take. So these are brand new fresh flowers. I love white, there's different colors like pink, red, purple, even like a pinky yellow orange type of orchid. But I put this right here in the kitchen, like while I'm cooking, and it's just the most amazing view. So I love to be surrounded by flowers, by plants. And I know if you were to give someone an orchid, snake plant, succulent, or any type of low maintenance plant, they would absolutely enjoy it. And it's better than just a bouquet of flowers that you'll have to throw in the trash after a week or two. So 7th on the list is a salad spinner. My favorite brand is Oxo. I've had this for about a year and a half, 2 years. Obviously you can see it's still in great condition. I love Oxo because it's durable, sturdy, reliable, and it's not meant just for salads. Any leafy greens or any vegetables, any type of vegetables that I'm trying to wring out water, this is really great. I use this every single day. I make salads, I make leafy greens, and something really quick that I like to do is just throw the greens in, wring the water out, and then put a paper towel over it, throw it in the fridge, and then whenever I'm ready to use it, I'll bring it back out because there's space in the fridge. So this is definitely affordable. Oxo is a little bit more on the upscale end, but any salad spinner would work. I just honestly prefer Oxo, so definitely give it a try. And if you're looking for a gift for like Secret Santa, White Elephant, a gift exchange, or if you're giving it to someone who just needs some household items, honestly, this is a really great gift, and I know for sure that they will use it all the time. We're nearing to an end. 8th item is a tea kettle. This is Le Cruset. I get one at least every 2 years just to get a refresh if I want a different color. But this sits on my stovetop. It never leaves. It never goes underneath the kitchen counter or anything like that because we do drink tea all the time in this house. Or if we just need to heat up some water, this is an amazing gift. This one's also pretty affordable too, but Le Cruset is obviously known for more of the higher end price points and price range. This is, again, for Secret Santa, for White Elephant, for a gift exchange, if you're giving it to someone who may need a tea kettle. This is very durable. It's cast iron, and I always fill it up with water, ready to go, and it heats up pretty quickly. Love the color too, it's gradient. The one I had before this was, I believe, white, but they have so many different colors. You can get this at Sur La Table, you can get it at Le Cruset, or you can get it at Williams Sonoma. Even other department stores too, I know that they would carry it. So definitely look into this and give it some thought and consideration because I know someone would really appreciate this gift if they truly love hot water or tea every morning, night, or throughout the day. All right, so second and final item on the list is something that you could probably easily guess and get are mugs. 2 out of the 3 mugs that I'm going to be sharing with you just as examples were actually gifted to me. The third one I actually gifted to my boyfriend, but so we have it in the house. You can find these anywhere. These are last minute gift givers. You could throw a little chocolate or candies in the mug and kind of make it even more of a gift, or you could throw in some gift cards as well too, just to spruce it up a little bit if you're really last minute on the gift giving. But some of my favorite cups, this one was gifted to me by one of my best friends. It has my initial on here. The second one I actually got gifted by my family. It says Morning Sunshine. Honestly, that is like the cutest thing ever. This is cool because it's a pretty tall mug. It has a unique shape to it. It has gloss all over on the top, and on the bottom rim it's left unglossed, so it gives that neutral, modern, chic vibe to it. But you could see these mugs differentiate totally. I like the versatility in my mugs. If I were to make like a big cappuccino or hot chocolate, this is really great to use. And the third mug I got was actually at a clothing store, believe it or not. This one just spoke to me. Honestly, it was just really funny, and I thought it would be cute to just give to someone. So something clever and something that can give you an idea to get a clever quote on a mug. It says, "Woke up sexy as hell again." I wouldn't say right in the morning when I get up I look like that, so pretty ironic. I like this a lot. And we made it to the last item. The 10th item on my list is a cutting board. For someone who loves to host, who likes to make charcuterie boards, any appetizers, just needs a cutting board or to fit the theme on their countertop or to fit their aesthetic of their kitchen, I love this idea. Wooden cutting boards can range in price, and this one I believe was like $50. It was pretty affordable. And I really love how it has the rubber underneath so it doesn't slip when you're cutting anything. But I use this a lot for my charcuterie boards. If I want to cut vegetables, if I don't want to bring this big board that I have right here, if I can lift it up. This is a really big board in comparison, and I use this all the time, and I have this on my countertop every single day. I don't move it. But different sizes of wooden cutting boards. This is a really unique gift. You can even get it engraved. I believe there's some available on Amazon where you can get it personally engraved, or if you just want to gift it to someone, I know this will be a crowd pleaser. So those are my 10 items for my holiday gift guide of 2021. Honestly, I cannot wait till next year. I don't want to jump ahead, but cannot wait to share with you guys what is in store for that list. For now, let me know in the comments down below if any of these items have spoken out to you, if there's items that you're going to be getting, if I gave you a really great idea that you're going to be using. I'd love to read that just to see if I was able to be helpful for you. So I hope one of these items gave you a great idea or helped you in some way to give a gift to someone else for this holiday season. And as a reminder, everything will be listed in the comment section down below. I will try to get the exact links to the exact products that I had featured for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe right down below, turn on those notification bells, and I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.